In today's video, we are going to talk about how to upgrade F2A visa to CR1 or IR1 visa. We're going to talk about two cases. If I-130 is at USCIS, not approved yet. Second case, if I-130 is approved and is at NVC. If you are new to this channel, my name is Sliman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information you have from NVC website. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. If you filled I-130 petition as a lawful permanent resident, and now you become a US citizen by naturalization, you will need to upgrade your petition I-130 from F2A visa to a CR or IR visa. CR1 if your marriage is under 2 years. If your marriage is more than 2 years is IR, which is going to be IR1. So to do that, first, if your case is at USCIS and it's still pending, basically is not approved. So USCIS still processing your case. So how you upgrade your F2A visa to CR or IR visa? It is very simple. You will need to contact USCIS office listed on your receipt notice, which is I-797C, because you cannot do nothing unless if you receive your I-797C, because you will have the information about your case. Once you have that I-797C, you will need to include that form, which is I-797C. You will need to include your naturalization certificate. And of course, you need to add an inquiry or letter explaining that you want to upgrade your case from F2A visa to CR or IR, depends on your case. My advice here is just include whatever you see is gonna work for your case. Never go by just what I provided or what USCIS provided in their website, because the information they provide is only for information purposes only. So you must add anything that you will see work for your case. So it is very simple. If your case is still pending or it's still at USCIS stage, it is simple. Just send naturalization certificate, I-797C, inquiry or letter explaining that you want to upgrade your visa, or you need to upgrade your case from F2A visa to CR or IR visa. Now, let's go to second one. If your case now is approved and is at NVC. If your case is at NVC and you received a welcome letter that your case is at NVC, to upgrade it, you have two methods or two choices. The first one is a cheap one, does not cost you no money. So you will need to send a public inquiry to NVC. Just go online and type NVC inquiry, and I have a video on my channel how to do that. And it's going to take you to this inquiry right here. You will need NVC case number or USCIS receipt number. You will need the principal applicant full name, principal applicant date of birth, petitioner's full name, who is filing this inquiry, email address, and your inquiry right here. Basically, gonna tell them that I want to upgrade my case from F2A visa to CR visa. As I mentioned, it depends about your marriage. If it's less than 2 years, it's CR. If above 2 years, is IR. So as you can see right here, there is a choose file. You cannot send just inquiry by yourself. It will not be accepted. You must submit I-797C, your welcome letter, and as well you need to submit the naturalization certificate or US passport. And must be clear and scanned properly and clear. Once you're done, send an inquiry to NVC, and NVC will get back with you within the time frame. Check the NVC processing time every week. NVC, they posted NVC processing time every week, and I update them as well every week. Check my channel for the new update every week. So now there is a second option. The second option is costly. It costs $590. Let's check the fee right here. It's $590. That's for a general filing for I-824 application for action on approved application or petition. People, they're gonna go crazy here. What's going on? You need, if you become a US citizen, sometime NVC will ask you to file I-824 to request USCIS to send to notify them that you become a US citizen. In case it does not trust you or something happens, NVC will ask you to file I-824 to I-824 to send to ask USCIS to notify NVC that you become a US citizen. It's right here. Let me show it to you. I think it's right here. Yeah. So right here, this is option 1A. If you go to I-824, this is request, reason for request. You're gonna check 1A, option 1A, USCIS to notify the US Department of State that I have become a US citizen through naturalization. If you are lucky, NVC will not ask you to file I-824. If you are not lucky, NVC will ask you to file I-824 with USCIS, and then USCIS will notify the NVC that you become a US citizen. And as I mentioned, it is costly. It costs $590. So let's recap. To upgrade your F2A visa to CR visa is two options. First one, you need to contact USCIS. If your case is still pending, not approved yet, you need to send USCIS receipt number, which is I-797C. You will need a US passport or naturalization certificate. For NVC, you have two options. Always start with cheap one, which is public inquiry form, NVC public inquiry form. It does not cost no money. You have to find the information, and at the end, you must attach the naturalization certificate or USCIS receipt number, which is I-797, or welcome letter and naturalization certificate. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.